The mystery of time. Have you ever looked at a clock and wondered what time really is? We use time every single day. We wake up because of it. We go to school, work, eat, travel, and sleep according to it. Every important event in our lives depends on time. But if someone asked you to explain what time actually is, would you be able to answer? The truth is that time is one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. Unlike a book, a chair, or a phone, time cannot be touched. You cannot hold it in your hand or put it inside a box. You cannot stop it, slow it down with your hands, or make it move backward. Yet, it is one of the most powerful forces in existence. Scientists believe that time began around 13.8 billion years ago during the Big Bang, the enormous explosion that created our universe. Before that moment, we don't even know if time existed. Since the beginning of the universe, every second has moved forward, bringing us closer to the future. But here's where things become truly fascinating. Most people think time is the same for everyone. It isn't. More than 100 years ago, Albert Einstein introduced an idea that completely changed our understanding of reality. According to his theory of relativity, time is flexible. This means that time can move slower or faster depending on how fast you are traveling and how strong gravity is around you. Imagine two astronauts. One stays on Earth. The other travels through space at almost the speed of light for several years. When the astronaut returns home, something unbelievable happens. The astronaut who traveled in space has aged less than the person who stayed on Earth. This sounds impossible, but scientists have tested this idea many times, and the results agree with Einstein's predictions. Even tiny differences in time are measured every day. For example, GPS satellites orbiting Earth experience time slightly differently than people on the ground. Their clocks must constantly be corrected. Without these corrections, your phone's GPS could make navigation errors of several kilometers in just one day. Time is also deeply connected to gravity. Near extremely massive objects like black holes, gravity becomes so powerful that time slows down dramatically. If you could stand near a black hole safely, a few hours for you might equal many years for people far away. This idea inspired famous science fiction movies, but it is based on real physics. Time also changes the world around us. Children grow into adults. Mountains slowly disappear because of wind and rain. Stars are born, shine for millions or even billions of years, and eventually die. Everything in nature follows the path of time. Humans have always tried to control time. We invented calendars. We built clocks. We divided days into hours, minutes, and seconds. But these inventions only measure time. They do not control it. No matter how rich, famous, or powerful someone is, everyone receives exactly 24 hours every day. That is one thing every human being shares equally. Some people use those hours to learn. Some use them to build businesses. Some spend them helping others. And sadly, many waste them without realizing how valuable they are. Money can be earned again. Lost objects can often be replaced. But a single second that has passed is gone forever. Perhaps that is why time is the most valuable thing in the universe. Not gold. Not diamonds. Not money. Time. Every memory you have exists because of time. Every dream you want to achieve will require time. Every success begins with the decision to use your time wisely. So the next time you look at a clock, don't just think about what time it is. Think about what you are doing with the time you have. Because life is not measured by how many years you live. It is measured by how well you use every moment. Time never stops. The only question is, what will you do before it runs out?